From the makers of Fool Me is a UFO 150 watt 1200 lumens. It is a 1 through 10 V dimmer. It is a UFO light that you hang up at your workshop, warehouse, anywhere that you need to have a 110-volt light for your needs. What we're going to do is open up the box, show you how nicely packaged it is, and how to demonstrate and work the unit. The high bay has 22,500 LM, 150 watts. Inside will be your instruction guide on how to hang your unit, protected by a piece of foam, and you have the hook that needs to be assembled. Pulling out of the plastic bag, you're going to have your 5 foot of cable, a 3-prong cord, and you have the dimmer optional switch that you can hook up. This is where you're going to put the hook onto the unit. A screwdriver is required for the bolt that's over here. Loosen up, place on, and screw on your hook. On the hook's bolt, there is a flat spot. Screw down your hook. Lock down your screw to the back side of the hook. And on the top, you have a silver bolt that you're going to loosen up. So this way it will not slip off of the bar that you are hanging to. For added protection, you have a 2-foot cable with a closed clamp. For demonstrations, we plug that end into the power supply, turning on, and you can see the brightness level of the light. With the ADC12 alloyed aluminum, showing the amount of heat that the light will throw. With the ADC12 aluminum body, the backing stays cool, while the light will be a little hotter on the front. I will give a temperature reading of the unit at 99 degrees. 107.6 Fahrenheit is on the red area. Operating temperatures are 22 to 104 of operation for your lighting. It's a 120 degree angle throw that could be hung 20 feet in the air or so. What we're going to do is show how the light looks like in the garage, in the basement, and outside underneath. It is IP65 rated, so wherever you put your light, you're going to have light all over. In this demonstration, with the dimmer hooked up and the safety cord hooked up and the power, we're able to turn the light on. We're at 100% of the full capacity of the unit as we're going to dim down the unit via our remote control, which is an option for the product. For a warehouse, a business, wherever you need to have light, this is a product that you're going to hang up. For added protection, for safety, the light is held on by a strap, so when it falls, it won't fall down. It is a fail-safe protection. Hanging is as simple as grabbing the safety cord, throwing over your area, snapping the hook on, placing your hook onto the bar, and tightening down the cable and wiring up your dimmer to your wiring system. And then taking the cord and plugging it into an outlet where you have your light or lights available. You may run your light off of the optional switches, remote controls, however have your lighting system set up. We have ours on a timer. We can run it at full capacity and down to 25% increments of the remote control we have. 120-degree throw. Height will give you more light around the area. When a light shuts off, that is how dark it is in the room. If you are looking for a UFO bay light, this product may be something that you are looking for in your workshop needs. It is warm to the touch on the back side of the unit. There is 150 watts per watt of power. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in a bay light.